I've been testing these computer glasses, the blue light blockers, basically all week, and my verdict, I love them. It is soothing to the eye, to my eye, when I'm in front of the computer. I have to be honest, the thing that I did not realize right away is that they do have a slight orange tint. So when you're putting them on, you do have that slight orange tint. There is one con, and I'm sure you can see it right now. There is a huge amount of reflection off. If you're, outdoors, or if someone is talking to you, they'll see your screen, obviously, reflected on your glasses. But it doesn't really bother me because I'm in an office, I'm by myself, working in front of the computer, and they're blue light blockers. And check this out. They actually give you a little tester to demo it. So look at this. I'm just going to flash this blue light on this paper for literally a split second, and look at what it does right there. It actually affects the paper. If I do it straight through the pair of glasses, it does not. Same amount of time, I can actually go more. I'll do a bunch of nothing. Do it again without it, and look at that. So clearly it does work. The orange tint combats the actual blue light, and they feel extremely light. They are fashionable. I really like that. And the other cool thing that it comes with an actual proper branded hard case, which is really cool. If you don't like the case, they also provide you with the pouch. I like the pouch in the car and things like that. The case I keep at the office, and they also give you a chamois to make sure that they are nice and clean. Big fan of the Benici blue light glasses.